Hi, this is Prithviraj Patil and welcome to Goa Travel Series Episode 2 Exploring Pallam Beach and Honeymoon Island. So, guys, do subscribe to our channel Time Bond Traveler and press the bell icon for new video notifications. So, finally, we are ready and we are ready to go to Pallam Beach. As you can see, the boys are ready and we are going to have breakfast right now. And after that, we are going to do kayaking at Pallam Beach. So, till then, bye. Just off the beach on the main road of Pallam, there are a lot of shops and they actually sell pretty good things. Lots of antique things, nice clothes and bits and bobs. So Adib, how are you feeling right now in Goa? What is the difference between your country, Iran, and Goa? Can you tell me?
Yeah, there's plenty of difference here.
Can you tell it in Hindi if you know Hindi?
It's been quite a while now, and I've got used to everything.
Okay.
Here,
No, actually, right now we are in Goa. We have to talk about Goa.
and this is my second time visiting Goa.
Yeah.
So it's been like a home here. Feels so good, calm. People are friendly, and it's always a unique experience coming with friends
Okay.
instead of family. So I enjoy being here.
ओके जर बास झालं आता आपण आपल्या कामाचं बघूया बाय. There are beautiful beaches on the sandy shores of Goa and then there is Pallam. Pallam beach is hidden treasure trove for nature lovers and explorers alike. Pallam is one of the southern beaches in Goa and has one of the longest stretches of sand, a sweeping crescent from which to observe the striking sunsets. A mixture of bamboo beach, huts and wooden restaurants line the coast. आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम मुन्ना है। एक लेफ्ट एक राइट ऐसे चलाएंगे ना कंटिन्यू तो सीधा जाएगा बोट। अगर राइट में अगर आपको टर्न करना है ना तो सिर्फ लेफ्ट में चलाना है तो राइट में जाएगा बोट। अगर सिर्फ राइट चलाएंगे तो लेफ्ट जाएगा। और ये जो वेव आ रहा है ना सामने से इसमें आपको सीधा ही जाना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो बोट पलट सकती है। सीधा गया वो बोट तक 100 मीटर दूर तक, बाद में बोट स्टेबल हो जाएगा, पानी भी स्टेबल है ना तो ईजी है। बाद में आप कैसे भी घूम सकते हो वहाँ पर। इतना ही है मेरा टाइम।
ओके थँक यू सो मच. टाळ्या पोरांना टाळ्या. सो आर यू रेडी गाइज? तो मुन्ना भाई ने हमें अभी कायाकिंग की क्या म्हणते त्याला कायाकिंग की ट्रेनिंग दी है और अभी हम कायाकिंग करने वाले हैं पोलम बीच पे. So what is the cost of kayaking?
वो 150 रुपीज़ है पर हेड, 1 आवर मिलेगा आपको चलाने के लिए।
1 hour मिलेगा. And I'm going to sit with my best friend Sumant Patil.
And I want to just take this one.
So all the boys are ready. So let's go. You are from
Karnataka.
Karnataka?
Love Karnataka too.
In Karnataka, which place?
Durga.
Uttar Durga.
Veera Madhankar Nayaka.
Yeah, Yandra.
One life, bro. One life.
One life.
Baby.
और अभी हम कायाकिंग कर रहे हैं. You can see at my back. हम की. And we are going to honeymoon island, which is at back. So let's go. Hi करा की सगळ्यांनी. So right now we are at honeymoon Pollam Island. You can see at my back. The beach is at that side, and we are here with the help of kayak. We are here, and we are going to go at the top now. This is honeymoon island. It's a very good island to visit. Means if you have physical strength to do kayaking and to come till here so far, means it's actually 2 to 3 kilometers away from the beach, this island. You can come by boat also, but we have came by kayak. So let's go. So we are going at the top now of honeymoon island. You need to do some type of trekking here. Actually, lot of people don't know this because no one comes here. You can say that it is unexplored. So right now we are at the top of Honeymoon Beach Island. You can see the view from here. It's very good. So you can see our kayak is there right now, and we are at the top of Honeymoon Island, and you can see the whole Pollam beach from here. It starts from here and it goes till, means actually the beach is, Pollam beach has curvature, so it's the specialty of this beach. It's still there. Go! एक नंबर.
No, just listen, get the kayak like that.
So right now we are going back to the Pollam beach again. We are not able to take the kayak in the water, so this guy is helping us. Actually it's very risky right now to take kayak into water. मीरा बोलते की नाही मागच्या जन्मी तू कायाकिंगच करत होतास, एवढं भारी कायाकिंग कसं काय येते तुला? हा, आजोबा तुमची काय होती? नॅशनल खेळल्यात. बर. सो राईट नाव वी आर गोइंग बॅक टू बीच अगेन. मी निवांत बसतो रे, तू मार. कारण आजोबा म्हणायचे ना तुमचे, काम करण्यापेक्षा काम करून घेणारा मोठा झालाय. So we are about to reach the Pollam beach now. So Mir is taking hard efforts to take us, not take us actually, take me to beach, not beach. It's BEACH, not BICH.
पॅन्डल मारले नाही.
आयुष्य खूप सुंदर आहे, फक्त मीरानं पेडल मारलं पाहिजे. सो मीर, थँक यू सो मच फॉर टेकिंग मी हिअर.
शोधत आले आपल्याला काठी मारा.
So Mir, I would like to say thank you to you for your hard work for kayaking.
जरा 1 मिनिट घरी.
ए नाही नाही, इथे उतरू शकत नाही मीर, भिजल सगळं.